Hello, love. This is Martina, and welcome to Wild Wellness. Today I invite you into a gentle nature practice designed to help you slow down, reconnect with yourself, and experience the healing power of the natural world. This is the Wild Wellness Nature Mandala journey. Before we begin, take one slow, deep breath in through your nose and gently exhale through your mouth. Relax your shoulders. Soften your gaze. Feel your feet connecting with the earth beneath you. There is nowhere to rush, nothing to solve, nothing to accomplish. For the next little while, your only invitation is to be here. Before we begin walking, I'd like to share a little bit about what a mandala is. The word mandala comes from the ancient language that simply means circle. Throughout history and across many cultures, circles have symbolized wholeness, harmony, balance, and the cycles of life. Creating a mandala is not about making perfect art. It is a mindfulness practice. As your attention moves to shapes and colors and textures and patterns, your mind naturally becomes quieter. Your breathing slows, and your awareness shifts from thinking to experiencing. Instead of worrying about yesterday or planning tomorrow, you begin noticing this moment. When you create with natural objects, nature becomes your creative partner. Each stone, leaf, feather, pine cone, or fallen flower has its own unique beauty. Together they remind us of the simple things. Gathered with intention, can become something extraordinary. There is no right way to create a mandala. There is only your experience. Today, we are not trying to make something beautiful. We are allowing beauty to reveal itself. Now, begin walking toward a place that feels peaceful to you. Perhaps it's beside a stream, under a favorite tree, on a quiet overlook, near a lake, a meadow, a beach, or simply a place where you feel comfortable sitting for a while without distractions. There is no perfect destination. Trust yourself. As you walk, let this be a journey of noticing rather than searching. Notice how your feet connect with the earth. Feel your breath finding its own natural rhythm. Notice the changing light, the movement of the trees, the songs of the birds, the scent in the air, the warmth of the sun, the coolness of the breeze, the tiny details that most people hurry past. Notice those. If your mind begins making plans or replaying conversations, gently return your attention to your surroundings. There's nothing else you need to do. Simply walk. Simply notice. Allow nature to slow your nervous system. Allow your body to remember what peace feels like. Continue walking until you naturally arrive at a place where you feel safe, comfortable, and inspired to spend a little time. When you arrive, pause. Take one deep breath. Look around you. Before doing anything else, spend a few quiet moments simply being here. Feel supported by the earth beneath you. Listen without trying to identify every sound. Look without trying to name everything you see. Simply receive this place. And when you feel fully present, gently notice the natural treasures that are surrounding you. Without wandering far from where you're sitting, collect a few small items that have already been offered by nature. Choose only what has naturally fallen. Perhaps a few leaves, a pine cone, small stones, twigs, feathers, seed pods, pieces of bark. Allow what is already nearby to become enough. Rather than searching for the perfect pieces, notice what naturally draws your attention. Trust your intuition. And gather quietly and softly the pieces that you notice with gratitude and appreciation. pause this video for a moment as you continue to collect your beautiful treasures. And when you are ready, and when you have gathered a small collection, come back to me and we'll continue. Welcome back. Once you have gathered a small collection of treasures, place them before you. Admire them. Appreciate them. Begin in the center and allow your mandala to grow outward, one piece at a time. In small circles, place your treasures around the center. There is no design to copy, no pattern to follow, no expectation to meet. Simply create. Notice the textures beneath your fingertips. Notice the colors beside one another. Notice the balance slowly emerging. Allow your breathing to remain slow and steady. As you create, you might quietly repeat, I choose presence. I choose peace. I choose possibility. Nature reminds me who I am. If thoughts arise, simply acknowledge them and return your attention to the next piece you place. This isn't about making something impressive. It's about practicing presence. Stay with your mandala until you naturally feel complete. Then pause. Then take a step back and look at what you've created. Notice how many unique pieces came together to become something beautiful. Just like every experience in your own life has shaped who you are becoming. Take a photograph if you'd like to remember this moment. You may choose to gently return each piece to the earth, or where it is appropriate and permitted, take a few small natural treasures as a reminder of your time in nature. Whatever you choose, do so with gratitude and respect for the place that welcomed you today. Before you leave, place one hand over your heart Take one slow breath in and one slow breath out. And ask yourself, what beauty did I notice today that I may have missed before? How do I feel in this moment? What do I want to carry with me from this experience? Sit with whatever arises. There are no right answers, only your own. I invite you to share your experience with the Wild Wellness community if you feel comfortable doing so. Your story may be the encouragement someone else needs to step outside and reconnect with nature. Tell us what inspired you. Tell us what you noticed. Maybe share what intention are you nurturing in your life. Or keep this experience to yourself and remember, take one final breath, feeling gratitude for your body, for your breath, for your health, for the earth beneath your feet, for this moment of presence. And thank you for spending time with me. This is Martina, and this is Wild Wellness. Remember, nature always helps you feel better. Much love from me to you. Bye for now.